In Meta Horizon worlds, using AI to make shirts is a wonderful idea. We're going to do something a little different today. We're going to make shirts with something specific, exactly what you want on it, logo, picture, something. So let's go through the process. Number one, all right, let's start at the very beginning. We go to the interwebs. You're going to type in horizon.meta.com, okay? Then when you log in, you click on your little dude person, you scroll down, and you go to Creator Tools. Let me switch to my zoom in version. Creator Tools. There, click that. Now it wants me to log in. I thought I logged in. See, there's my login. Where's my Kenny logins? Okay, once I log in, I'm in the developer dashboard. Okay, so I was about to reiterate, but this is a video. You can just watch it again. It's the teacher in me. All right, then we come over here to the left to digital items. I'm trying something new where I zoom in on stuff. Okay, so digital items, we're gonna click that. We're gonna go to avatar items, click that. And oh, it was already set to avatar items, which is cute. Then we're going to go up here and use create avatar item. Now we are going to see, you got all these different clothes to choose from, but let's go with the t-shirt. So it's the fourth row down. The first one is a t-shirt. We're going to click on it, and let me get my pretty face out of the way. Oh, that's not how you get my face out of the way. I guess I'm just immovable. And my teacher Danny logo. I love that thing. Ideogram. This is the thing I made it on. All right. And I'm not kidding. I put the logo there because I just don't like how the green screen makes me look in white with the background. It's not great. All right. So here is the t-shirt. Over here on the right side is the upload texture file. That's where we could upload any file. You know, we can have AI do it. What we're going to do is we're going to download a file, but not all of them. So right next to this download design files is a little arrow. We're going to click that arrow. We're going to turn off 3D file, turn off current texture. We just want the UV guide. Now we click download design files. Okay. So for me, it's saved as UV guide. You know, you might have to go over to your, you have to know where it downloaded, okay? I have my stuff downloaded right to the download folder, so that's simple, all right? Now that we've downloaded this texture file, or no, not the texture file, it kind of is a texture file, but the UV guide, we're gonna go to website canva.com. Canva.com is one of the best websites in the entire world. You can do so much and be novice. I'm not an artist by any means, but I make stuff look real, you know, with this stuff, okay? Look like a person maybe. A person made it, maybe not a professional designer, but it comes out all right. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here to create, and then we're gonna go down to, it's at the bottom here, custom size. Okay, we click on custom size, and that's gonna bring up this menu. We're gonna put in 1024 by 1024. That's the size. And then we're gonna be able to create new design. And here we go. This is Canva. Don't be intimidated. It's a million buttons. We're only gonna use about 4 or 5 of them. It's like the OBS of design. All right. So we are going to first upload that UV guide. So I click uploads here on the left. Let me just show you again. Click uploads, and then I have this upload files. I click that. Remember, we have to know where our file went and what it was called. It was downloads, which is already the folder I'm in. UV guide, it was number 3. I've been practicing this. Double click that, and you can see it Yeah, okay. It was downloading, but it finished downloading, so there it is. All right. I was putting the arrow over the over something over my other screen. That's showing the recording. Okay. I guess that's why I keep looking that way, because it probably looks like I'm looking at my work. But no, I'm looking because I'm trying to see the screen, because I keep making tutorials and then blocking everything. All right. So here we have, you know, our canvas to work on. I'm gonna just, okay, here's our canvas to work on. I'm gonna just drag over the UV guide that we made. I'm gonna stretch it out. It's an exact square, just like this 1024 by 1024 canvas. And as you can see, the UV guide shows you what the shirt would look like before it was put together, basically. Like, these are all the seams. This is the front of the shirt. This is the back of the shirt. You know, these are the sleeves. This would be the top of the sleeve. This part towards the top would probably be more closer to the shoulder, and this is more towards the elbow. All right. So let me give you an example of how this works. So I have this UV guide there. I'm just gonna make this the image. I'm gonna make this the t-shirt. So what I'm gonna do is, wrong one. Let's see, number 4. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna go up to share. I'm gonna click download. Okay, so I was up. I clicked up there. I click share. I'm gonna click download, and it has to be a PNG. Okay, and yeah, see, this is why I wanted to look at the screen. Let's just do that real quick. This is just quicker. All right, we're gonna click download. Okay, and again, so its name is Untitled 18. Whoops. I'm moving around like the wrong windows. This is so funny. All right. So I downloaded this as a file. Now let's go back to our store. Horizon Developers, okay? And, oh no, that was a different page. This is where we were there. Now I can upload a texture file. So I'm gonna click upload texture file. Oh, you didn't see where I did that. Let me do that again. All right, we're gonna click upload texture file. And then we are gonna find it in our downloads. For me, it was Untitled Design 18. You know, you should label your stuff. All right, so anyway, look, here's our shirt. That's what happened. That's what we, you know, put in there. So that's what came out. So if we would have just put a white file, you know, image of just the color white on it, we would just have a white shirt right here. Okay, so let's do something different than just having bars across it, okay? I'm sure you can guess, like, these lines help you know where on the shirt it's gonna be. So let's say we wanted to make a picture of a bear reaching up to a honey beehive or whatever, and there's some bees. Just something cute. Like, let's say that's what we're going for, okay? So in Canva, we go over here to Elements. And you can type in whatever you want here, and it'll come up with it, you know, bear. And if it has a little crown on it, you have to pay for it. And most of them are paid for. I have it. Teachers get it for free, but you know, I didn't think it was good to use my work account for this. So, and I want to show you how you can do it with the free account. And then here's all the elements you can pick, you know, and just add whatever things you want to add. Now, I've already been practicing this. So here I go. I'm going to put it like a little stump on the shirt. And so now when I make the shirt, in the lower right side of the shirt, this little stump is going to be there. And let me put the bear in there. And look, dude, like, I'm not, these are just like stickers basically. All right. And we'll do a little bee. Oh, not so little, is he? All right. And there's, like, you know, maybe he's, and this is his honey house. I don't think that's what they're really called. Just kidding. That's his beehive. And maybe he has like a buddy or something. I just hit Control D for like, that's kind of like copy and paste. It's duplicate. That's the shortcut key. Okay, there's our shirt. Now, we still got all those black lines on it. Well, remember, that's just an image. So why don't we just get rid of it? I'm hitting delete. I got rid of the image. And again, I'm going to download it. Let's use my zoom ins. Okay, you go up here to share. I'm going to download it. It has to be a PNG. I'm going to download it. And this one's going to be Untitled Design 19. After this, we're going to start labeling, okay? Now we're going to go back to our store. And let's see. We're at our store. We downloaded that image to our download folder. So we come back here to upload texture file. Let's upload something different than what's up here. Okay, undesigned. Let's see. Undesigned 19. And look what pops up. Isn't that great? There you go. You got a cool t-shirt. And you know, you can adjust that in so many ways. All right, then you're going to come up here to the right and we're going to click Save Item. And you're going to have to put in a couple more details, like for how it's listed, like a description and a price and stuff like that, if you want to actually be able to sell it. Okay. Oh, so cool. So happy. All right, so your item is being created. You can create another item or set listing details. If you want to stay along, I'm going to show you how to make this exact same shirt over and over again with different colors. And this, I think, is like going to be a big help to me for sure, because it'll help me make multiple clothes without having to make multiple designs. Okay, I'm not going to click create another item yet. I'll click set listing details. And let's see, the name, Get That Honey. Hold on. Here we go. Show me the honey. I love it. Okay. Bear trying, why did I admit that? A bear trying to get some bees. Honey. All right, and we got to make a price. The absolute minimum is 75 meta credits, which are basically cents, 75 cents. You know, it costs 1 cent to buy a credit. So, all right, and now we're just gonna save it, and that's it. Oh, it's asking me, do I want to allow people outside of my worlds? Like, can it be like listed in the closet thing or whatever where you choose clothes? Yeah, why wouldn't I? People want to buy my shirt for 75 cents. I mean, that's kind of cute. That shirt's not bad. I could see someone wearing that shirt. I mean, I don't know if it's going to be a bestseller or anything. All right. Great. And now it's, you know, giving me an option. We're not going to talk about how to set up your store in this video. All right. Let's do that's how you do it. If you're done, you're done. If you want to see one more trick, then let me show you how to make them in multiple colors and really quickly. All right. So you go back to the picture that we have in Canva. You can't move any of this stuff around, but what we can do in the upper right is duplicate it. And now that we have multiple pictures, we're going to need multiple names. So let's name this whole folder Bear Getting Honey. Okay, so I made a duplicate of this page. It's the exact same page. Back here, there's no image. So if you click on it, that's clicking the background. See, when I click on it, up here, it says background color. If I were to click on an item and go up to its color, it would just say color. But because it's a background, so that's how you know you're on background color. So you click on this like rainbow of colors and you could choose your color. So let's see. Should I do my little zoom in thing here? Yeah. Let's say I pick some nice colors. Let's pick like a coral red. That's nice, right? And then we come back and look at our shirt. That's what was made. Okay, so let's copy it again, duplicate page. Now this time, let's click it and do a different color. Oh, I clicked it off. Let me click it back on. Okay, let's do a different color. Let's say you want a light gray one, kind of like sweatsuits. Make another copy. You see what I'm saying? Shirt after shirt after shirt, different colors, different people might have like the same design, but maybe the color doesn't interest them. So you can make different colors for your customers. And look, you can just do it in a couple seconds. Keep making them. So you get a nice turquoise one. And then you can download all these. It'll download in a zip file, but if you don't know how to extract a zip file, watch my extraction video where I extract. All right. I don't have an extraction video, sorry. Okay. Now, so look, if we download one of these, let's just download one at a time. Oh, you know what? I said I was going to give everything a title. Okay. White Bear Bee. Coral Red Bear Bee. I know it, my punctuation, but all right. Not punctuation, capitalization. Bear Bee Gray. Oh my gosh. Am I even naming them? Just said, okay, I was supposed to put the color first, but guess what? I ain't getting paid right now. I can do it like that. Okay, then I go up here to share. Then I'm going to, here's a good time to use the zoom in. Okay, so up here in the upper right corner, we clicked share. Now we're gonna click download. It has to be a PNG. Now you can download them all, but I'm just gonna download page, let's do page 2, because that one is like the cute red one. All right, and I'm just gonna download it. It's in my downloads folder. Now I am gonna go back to the store. All right, the store up here. I'm gonna go back over. Remember, create avatar item. I'm gonna go over here. Look at all these different things you can make. It's so cool. All right, I'm gonna go down here. That t-shirt again. I'm gonna upload a texture file. I'm gonna upload a texture file here. I'm gonna choose the file, Coral Red Bear Bee. That's it. And then of course there's the listing of it. So it'll take seconds to make tons and tons of more colors, and you can see how easily you could change the detail. Maybe you just put the bear, maybe you put more bees, maybe you put bees on the back, whatever you want to do, and make them. And the hardest part is going to be like the listing of it. So if anybody has any questions, let me know. I'm happy to, I made this tutorial because I thought people wanted to know this. People keep asking about this, and I want to make tutorials that are valuable, that are useful. I really want to teach doing this. Otherwise, I wouldn't do this, because trust me, the millions of dollars and the adoration that I get for doing this is just a side perk. All right, guys, thank you very much. Subscribe, high five, pound fist, send your love, and Teacher Danny out.